how much should you actually spend on a motorcycle Bluetooth headphone speaker? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Cardo System Spirit. The Cardo System Spirit motorcycle Bluetooth communication headset, priced at $98.96. What caught my eye here is the sleek design and universal connectivity. If you want a reliable and high-quality Bluetooth system for your rides, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Spirit offers over-the-air software updates via the Cardo Connect app, ensuring you get the latest features without hassle. Its universal compatibility means you can connect with any Bluetooth headset, making it super convenient for riding with friends. Plus, it's waterproof. Whether you face rain or shine, the Spirit keeps you connected. With over 2,000 units sold in the last month, it's clear that many riders trust it. Now, some people complained about the higher price compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for longevity and performance, spending a bit more might save you in the long run. This is perfect for you if you prioritize sound quality and reliability during your rides. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option. For what you get, the value is solid. Now, if the price of Cardo's Spirit gave you pause, the next product might just surprise you with its affordability. Product number 2, Ella Kidsto Y12 Pro. The Ella Kidstone motorcycle helmet Bluetooth headset, priced at just $17.99. This caught my attention for its impressive features at a fraction of the cost. If you want to enjoy communication and music while riding without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Y12 Pro supports two-way intercom, so you can chat with a fellow rider easily. The 40mm drivers provide excellent sound quality, and with noise cancellation technology, you won't miss important calls or directions. Its 1,000 mAh battery gives you over 25 hours of use, which is fantastic for long rides. Now, some users mention the sound could be better at high speeds, but honestly, at this price point, it's hard to expect studio quality audio. If you're just cruising and don't need the highest fidelity, this headset isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you ride casually and want good sound without a hefty price tag. Skip this one if you're after top-tier audio quality. For the price, the value is unbeatable. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a simple setup. Product number 3, Ella Kidsto Y10. Let's talk about the Ella Kidsto motorcycle helmet Bluetooth headset Y10, priced at $14.05. I was drawn in by its low price and decent features. If you want a no-frills option that still delivers quality sound, this is worth a look. The Y10 focuses on great sound quality with its professional sound decoding chip and 40mm speakers. It also supports 25 hours of playtime thanks to its powerful 1,000 mAh battery. Plus, it's IPX6 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about rain ruining your ride. This headset connects quickly to devices, making it user-friendly for those who aren't tech-savvy. However, some users noted it lacks an intercom function, which can be a bummer if you want to communicate with a riding buddy. But if you're riding solo and just want tunes and GPS directions, this is still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want decent quality. Skip this one if you need intercom features. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if you want something with a bit more added functionality, the next product is definitely worth a peek.
Product number 4, Ella Kidsto HM1. We have the Ella Kidsto HM1 motorcycle helmet Bluetooth headset, priced at $13.99. This product caught my attention for its good sound quality and long battery life. If you're looking for an entry-level option that performs well, this might be the right choice for you. The HM1 features ENC, environmental noise cancellation, technology enhancing your audio experience. With 50 hours of use on a single charge, it's a great choice for longer journeys. The design allows for easy operation even with gloves on, which is a big plus for riders. Plus, it's IPX7 waterproof, so you can ride confidently in various weather conditions. But here's the catch. Some users mention that it could feel bulky in certain helmets. If you're using a snug helmet, this might not be ideal. However, if you have a bit more room, it should fit just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option with excellent battery life. Skip this one if you ride in tighter helmets. The value here is fantastic for longer rides. Now, if you're after something with impressive battery life and features, the final product will catch your interest.
Product number 5, JZAQ
BT30. Check out the JZAQ motorcycle helmet Bluetooth headset, priced at $21.79. What grabbed my attention here is the impressive battery life and sound quality. If you want something that can last and perform well, this is a worthy option. The JZAQ headset boasts a massive 900 mAh battery that supports up to 60 hours of continuous use. That's phenomenal for anyone who rides long distances. It's also equipped with DSP noise-canceling technology for clearer calls and music. Plus, with IPX7 waterproofing, you can ride without worry of bad weather impacting your headset. However, some reviews pointed out that the installation process can be a bit tricky for new users, but honestly, once you figure it out, it's a solid investment for the features you're getting. This is perfect for you if you're a long-distance rider who values battery life. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's plug-and-play. Overall, you're getting great value for the features offered here.
So, to wrap things up, the Cardo system's spirit is great for reliability. The ELI Kidsto Y12 Pro is a fantastic budget choice. The Y10 offers solid value without intercom features. The HM1 excels in battery life, and the JZAQ BT30 is a powerhouse for long rides. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most to you on the road.